Top 7 Code Challenging Websites. Number 7. EXERCISM. Learning through EXERCISM is quite different to other programming websites, with a focus on individual practice and mentor-based learning. Here's how it works. 1. Choose a language to master. 2. Complete a coding challenge on your computer. 3. Upload your solution and review it with a mentor. 4. Unlock different concepts and exercises. 5. Complete the language track and achieve fluency. Number 6. SCOTCH. Code challenges are an awesome way to improve your knowledge of web development, build interesting stuff and have fun at the same time. The SCOTCH code challenges are weekly, short and fun challenges to help you improve your knowledge of web development and programming in general. Number 5. Codewars. Codewars is a platform that helps you learn, train, and improve your coding skills by solving programming tasks of many types and difficulty levels. Number 4. Byte. Byte is a web application built to help you practice programming and improve your coding skills. We offer a collection of code challenges and web development courses that can help you prepare for upcoming job interviews. The coding challenges range in difficulty and they can all be completed straight in our online editor. Number 3. Code and Game. Code and Game is a challenge-based training platform for programmers where you can improve your coding skills with fun exercises. And it also supports 25+ coding languages. Number 2. GeeksforGeeks. GeeksforGeeks understands the importance of programming training in climbing the ladder of success in the field of computer science. Therefore, it provides an option for practicing programming problems. This big database of problems was made by programming experts. GeeksforGeeks active team makes the learning method fun and interesting. Number 1. Leet Code. Leet Code is one of the most well-known online judge platforms that you can use to practice your programming skills by solving coding questions. It has over 1,100 different problems, support for over 18 programming languages, and an active community that is always there to help you with the solutions you come up with. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.